Hey everyone! Welcome back to The Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to share a little bit more in my collaborative series with my friend Natasha. We are doing a series that encompasses essential oils and their everyday uses, and we have been going through all the essential oils that Jordan Essentials has to offer. So I did a video previously on the benefits and the properties of peppermint as a single note. And also in this series, my friend Natasha has done a video on the benefits and properties of lemon essential oil and how to use those. Today, I'm talking about a special blend from Jordan Essentials, our blender buddy, in lemon peppermint. Lemon essential oil alone is great for uplifting your mood. It increases your immune system. It's antibacterial and it heightens your sense of smell. So that's why we really love lemon scented cleaning products and air fresheners. Peppermint by itself is great for upset stomachs, congestive issues, cold and allergy symptoms, as well as an appetite suppressant and even a bug repellent. Our lemon peppermint blender buddy is the perfect blend to diffuse or mix with an unscented product, and the benefits will be a boosted immune system, uplifted mood, rejuvenated mind. It also helps with mental clarity and focus. It's energizing and purifying. Like I said, this is a great one for diffusing, or you can use it in any of our popular unscented products, as well as mixing it with other products that maybe you just want to boost the fragrance of, like mixing it in our Healthy Home cleaning solution that already has the properties of tea tree and lavender. This can help not only the smell, but the cleaning properties as well. At Jordan Essentials, we do not recommend that you put your essential oil droppers directly on your skin for any reason at any time, and we also recommend that you do not ingest your essential oils. In addition to this blender buddy of lemon and peppermint, we also have lavender and orange, and Natasha is actually doing a video on that blender buddy. I'll link the description to this collaborative series up above and at the end of this video. Be sure and check that out. Jordan Essentials is a brand that you can trust when it comes to home care, skin care, body care. All of our products are non-toxic, botanically based, and healthy and safe for your whole family. I'll link in the description box below the catalog as well as my website so that you can check out any additional information that you may want to get your hands on. There's also a link for ordering if you're interested in doing that. If you have questions, please reach out. I'm happy to answer as best I can. As always, thank you for watching and being here. Be sure and give me a thumbs up on your way out if you liked this video. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell so that you are notified every time I post another video. Thanks again for being here. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.